We are at Hampton MX in Dorchester, dusting off the old girl out of retirement. We're here for practice day. We thought we'd feature the computer. Yeah, you're about to see some subpar motocross riding. We've got the drone out ready to go. Yeah, let's do it. This is a 1989 WMX 250. You've probably never even heard of one, probably never seen one before. It's very, very rare. It's Italian. I just spent the last 5 years restoring it, and I'm racing it this year at VMXDN. Yeah, and we've dusted off the old girl and did some practicing today, and it's going really well, really fast.
How many laps have you done now?
Yeah, a grand total of about 6. No, I don't know. We've done two good sessions on it. No crashes. I don't think too much has fallen off yet, which is good. Vibrates a lot. We've got a few little niggles to iron out on it though. It's running a little bit rich. Bit of a bugger to start, but yeah, really nice, cool bike.
You're on a road bike, you constantly want to cancel the indicator.
I still put it up.
So yeah, I've had to put it up, otherwise I just go along and just turn the bike. So what bike's this?
This is Luke's KXF 450. What year is it? 2014?
How are you, Luke?
You look.
I feel good, but I'm tired now. I'm ready for bed.
I'm ready for a roast dinner and a cuddle.
Oh. So back into retirement.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Give it another 12 months.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we do leave it at 12-month intervals.
That was a brand new tyre, and it's gone.
It's not now. Hella's in it, order some more of them.
It is about 8 years old.
Yeah, it was very good.
No accidents.
No, it was really good.
So water sports at one point, that's about it.
Yeah. Oh, that was horrendous. First lap through the lake. Oh, I was piss wet through from
First lap, you didn't check it out, and there was what? The track was like in one spot in particular.
You're supposed to go steady on the first lap, and we didn't do that.
Right.
No.
And then we both paid the price by going through the puddle.
You say puddle? It was
wet pants.
It was a lake. Oh, but yeah, good day's riding. Please like, share, and subscribe. Sexy mullet in shot. I hope 2 strokes can be mixed together.
What about all the soil you just put in there?
Shush. Keep going. Stop!
Jack's got some Nutella.
Oh, you got a rag? I want a bit of blue cloth in the dash.
What happened, Jack?
It fell over and some considerable bastard definitely donked it.
Tell me you're 30 without telling me you're 30.
So step in the van.
And that's all it took.
I might even. One or two things are going to happen.